In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Klaviyo email marketing in Shopify. If you've been considering taking your Shopify store's email marketing to the next level, Klaviyo is an excellent choice. It's a powerful tool that can help you better engage with your customers, drive more sales, and ultimately grow your business. So, let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to get it up and running on your Shopify store. To begin, make sure you're on your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a panel with several options. This panel is your navigation hub for Shopify. Go ahead and find the option that says Apps and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the apps for your Shopify store, including any you want to install like Klaviyo. With the app section open, you'll see a search bar where you can find new apps to add to your store. In this search bar, type in Klaviyo email and press enter. As the search results appear, look for Klaviyo email marketing. Clicking on this will take you to Klaviyo's dedicated app page within Shopify. On the app page, you'll see more details about what Klaviyo offers and how it can help your business. If it suits your needs, the next step is to click on the install button. This will start the installation process. Trust me, it's as easy as clicking a button, and before you know it, Klaviyo will be part of your Shopify store's arsenal. Now that Klaviyo is installed, you'll want to proceed with the setup process. You'll find that Klaviyo walks you through the initial setup pretty intuitively. Just follow the provided guidelines, and you'll soon have Klaviyo ready to work for you. It's here where you can start configuring the service according to your store's needs, such as setting up email flows, templates, and customer segmentation. Although the setup is straightforward, take your time to explore the features Klaviyo offers to fully benefit from this integration. And there you go. With Klaviyo installed and setup underway, you're well on your way to enhancing your email marketing efforts. Remember, integrating new tools into your business is about making things easier and more efficient. Klaviyo can be a game changer for your Shopify email marketing, allowing you to create more personalized marketing campaigns and communicate effectively with your customers. So go ahead, dive into Klaviyo's features, and start crafting those impactful email campaigns. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.